We're going to be eating.
Yeah.
Fabian's restaurant.
Right next to the cog rail.
It's closed on Monday and Tuesday. They have outdoor seating, but I'd rather just eat inside, would you?
Sure.
See all this traffic noise.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. All right. What do we do?
Oh, the main guy. You want main guy or the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely getting the
You can get half a chicken.
clam chowder, warm soft pretzel, and probably a pub burger. Or a barbecue pork sandwich.
I know. I want something from the smokehouse.
This is a nice little
Sausage,
restaurant.
pulled pork. Oh, they have a brisket, North Country brisket.
There it goes. The train goes around the restaurant. That's cool. It goes in the tunnel. Goes around. Alright, we got more clam chowder. Pretzels. What'd you get?
3 bean chili. Yeah.
3 bean chili.
3 bean chili. It must be, like they have your dip down there. I'm gonna put it right here on your plate. I'm gonna try
Cheesy.
this. Oh, it is cheesy.
Food.
Very soft, huh?
How's the soup?
Oh, yeah, huh? Let's see. Hot. That's good. So it's your soup. And
It's good. It's a
alright.
6 or 7. Yeah, not the best. It's good. I got the pub burger,
it's good.
Swiss cheese.
Nice.
Look at you. What'd you get?
I got the pulled pork. They smoke it
Pulled
here.
pork.
Yeah.
Good.
French fries, broccoli. Here's my butter. I'm gonna use
You
that for
got
my
a meal there.
broccoli.
You're not gonna finish that.
Oh, you can help me.
I don't know.
I'll eat it when I get back from the railroad. Well, after last night, I'm afraid I won't eat.
Well, how is it?
It's pretty good. It's good. It's like a little bit of fat, but other than that,
Pulled pork. My burger's good. Medium well.
it's good. I'm so excited to have something to eat.
Yeah, I'm finally full.
I know. Oh, food. Finally, I could eat. Thank you. Let's train. Let's leave right now. You better run.
I can't run my legs. Yeah, one going that way, one going that way. Stops right by the. Scenic railroad. Goes right by the restaurant. On the lead. Okay, we got Fabian's Restaurant.
Can you remind me what I ate?
You had the
Oh, the
pulled pork
Yeah.
on the tray.
Okay.
That's right. It was by the cog rail, way up in New Hampshire.
Fabian.
Right by the railroad track, we saw the train go by.
So this was used to be an old train station, right?
Yeah. So it was an old train station.
Can you see?
It's a dog.
Oh.
It's an old train station that you can tell. I mean, you can see where everything used to be. Where you
And
used
it's
to go
right-
get your tickets.
Yeah. And it's right at the end of the road before you get to the Cog Railroad.
Yeah. It's got good parking, good scenery. I mean, it's beautiful
Yeah.
in that area. Prices weren't bad. The meals were good. I got the pub burger.
The waitress was really nice.
Yeah, you got the pulled pork.
Mm-hmm. And it came with the...
Good quick meal.
It was
After
good.
getting
Everything
the
was hot.
Yeah,
Mm.
good. And that little train running around the top
Yeah.
for kids to look at.
And remember, the chili that I had? Piping hot and good. Because it was kind of chilly.
Yeah,
It was like nice. I mean, it wasn't too chilly, but it was a little chilly.
yeah.
But it was really good and meaty.
That was a good place. That was
I
a
liked
good,
it.
Nice
I would go
quick
back
stop.
there.
Nice quickie. To go if
It
you
was
stop
fast
by
service.
There. Yeah,
I like that.
good meal. Clean,
Yeah, I liked it.
plenty of parking,
And everything tasted fresh, though. It didn't
reasonable prices.
taste... Yeah.
Burgers were good.
Mm-hmm.
Good, decent meal.
Yeah, yours looked good. It had all that cheese on it.
Yeah, I would say
I would give it an 8. I liked it.
An
I
8.
thought it was great.
it's good.
I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the chili.
I would definitely go again.
Yeah, if we were gonna go up that way, because you're kind of out in the middle of nowhere,
Yeah.
and it's shocking that you have a restaurant that was actually that good.
Yeah, if you're up that area and you're doing stuff, I would stop there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Good, fast service and hot.
Good
French
quickie.
fries were hot.
Yep.
I hate getting cold fries.
Good pit stop.
Yeah, I recommend. 8 out of 10 cookies.
She says, I ain't never
Until the
coming,
next treat.
I never coming home.